Guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download right for Canon imageCLASS. This here for the serial, and you type here for the Canon, here for the Canon imageCLASS. This here for the serial, you type for the driver download. You type for the driver download, and this is why I'm set the official website for you. I am live download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. Okay, if you need uh, download driver, you click here for official website, and maybe I am search for the website first download imageCLASS. This here for Canon imageCLASS for Eagles, and this here for nuts. And this here for imageCLASS, and imageCLASS. You click here, okay, and this here for the driver. Okay, this for the printer. You scroll down this here for your the title software and driver. Click here, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system, and my operating system for Windows 10 the tag. If you need the operating system for the Linux, you select here. This here for the Linux, and this here for version Linux, and this here for the Macintosh, and the version for the Macintosh match the version. Okay, and this here and for Windows, and this for Windows the driver, and this here for the Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 11, and this Windows Server support. And this video I need to download the for Windows 11. Select here for the Windows 11, and this here for the driver for the Windows 11. Match the version for the driver for the Windows 11. This here for scanner only, and the tool, and the printer, and the FAQ, and this, and PPG file. And this video I need to download driver for the Windows the printer, and this here for the printer support. Okay, plus printer driver. If you need to load, you click here for button. This here for your drive for the load. If you need install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, the type USB cable printer, and press what. If you finish there for the load, if you finish there for the load, you double click file. You click next and you click finish. And this here for the type automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.